Very. Yeah. Whoa! Alright. Hold on there, buddy. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I've been uploading fishing videos on my YouTube channel since around last summer, and every time I upload a fishing video, you guys leave me an amazing amount of support, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to look back at like the best moments. So what I'm going to do is go through all those fishing videos, and I'm going to pick out my best moments, whether it be the funniest, you know, fails, or funniest moments, or best catches, and I'm going to grab those clips, put them in this video for you guys today, and I hope you enjoy it.
Oh, I think I got a nibble. I think I got a nibble. I think I got a nibble. Oh! I got one! Oh! Oh, he's a monster! Oh, there he is! There he is! Look at him! Look at him! I got 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 him!
Yeah, baby! Oh, damn. Yeah, this thing's a monster. Yeah! Oh, shit. Yeah, baby! Go on, buddy. Alright guys, so we just paddled over here to this island, and it looks like a good spot to fish. I bet there's gonna be a monster up in this bitch. Ooh, I think it's a gar. Yeah! It's still fighting. Oh, I hooked it on its fin. Pretty cool.
Come on, baby.
See you, buddy? It's kind of cool how they know who I am. Jake from State Farm.
What are you wearing?
Khakis! Yeah, it's kind of deep down there. It's like 5-6 feet. Oh! Oh man, look at that! Oh man! That was awesome! First cast and I got this thing. I thought it was one of those little ones at first, because there's like 1,000 of them right there. But, damn! That is what I'm talking about, man. I'll let it go right here so you guys can watch it swim off. Come on, dude. Oh shit! That's 0 to 100 real quick. Real quick. What is it? Holy shit, this is a monster, dude. This thing's a beast. Holy shit. Here you go, dude. So I was walking back to my fishing stuff and I noticed a duck right here. I don't know if the duck is sick or anything, or maybe caught on fishing line. Nope, never mind. I guess it was just relaxing. My bad, dude. Holy shit. Oh my god, this is gonna be amazing. This is a big ass gar. I'm about to catch this with my bare hands. Where'd he go? He's up here somewhere. There he is. Oh! Oh my god! What is that? It's looking at me. That's a bluegill. That thing's huge. I'm gonna get it. Here it goes. Take it. I got it. Oh, dang, it's the biggest one of the day. Ooh, here we go. Another bluegill, man. That thing jumped out of the water pretty high. Oh, look at that. It spit it out and I got it on its belly. I got your ass. All right, dude. Oh my god, it's a big one. Yeah. I mean, it's not huge, but that's a decent sized fish right here, man. Holy crap. Woo! Yeah, baby. Okay, I think this might be the biggest one of the day, maybe. That is what I'm talking about, man. Yes. All right, guys, we're gonna let it go. What the heck? You see that? Ooh. Yeah. No! Bastard. Ooh, here we go. Ooh. Nice. Ah, shit! Gotcha, bitch. Ah! Spoke too soon. I got a big one. Yeah. I don't know where it's at. It probably is. That's awesome though. I gotta watch the paddle monkeys here.
What pound test is that?
10. And there's a monster probably on this too. No, I got some.
I want to see this gar.
Oh man, I hope I get it.
Did it strike?
I don't know, man. No! Ah! Oh my god, man, I cannot believe that just happened. That was probably the biggest fish I've ever had on the end of my line. I guess it got in that current right there and then it started going down and it just snapped off. But that's what kind of makes it fun, you know? You got a little bit of an obstacle and it's pretty challenging to get these fish. You guys, I'm about to do a cannonball in this bitch. No! Oh my god, these things are hard to catch, man. Ooh. No! Oh, it's got it. No! No! I've been trying to get this bitch for like 30 minutes, man. Oh my god. No! Holy shit! That thing was huge. Oh my god. Come on. What did I get? Oh, I got a gar? Oh shit! We got a monster! Come on, dude. Yeah, we got a gar. I've been trying to get your ass for like 2 days, man. Alright. Alright, there goes. It slithered off before I get a picture with it. Ooh, here we go. Oh! Yeah! Dude, I ripped this thing out of the water. Holy crap. That was pretty funny. That thing flew. Alright, see you, dude. Oh, shit! Alright, well, we made it. Not nicely, but we made it. That one kind of hurt. Yo, man, I need a fish. All right, so this is what I just caught right here. I have no idea what this thing is. Like a piece of metal.
What is that over there that's spraying up mist?
I don't know. I think it's a cloud. Like a little cloud, maybe. Some guy over there vaping. Oh, dude, that's a massive catfish. Get up here, dude. Yeah, that thing is fucking huge. I gotta hurry up. The water is rising and I'm losing my island. Got it. Yeah. All right, buddy. There you go. Swimmer. Yeah, that was so much fun. Yeah. All right, dude. That was sweet. Oh, I got another one? What? Yeah. Yo, that was my next cast. Oh, shit. My bad, dog.